What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video I'm going to share with you 3 very useful prompts from ChatGPT, okay? But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and like this video. After, let's get things started, okay? Always, if you are a student, you have to use things and tools to learn. So this video is for you that is studying some topic, some theme, something for some test, okay? First tip, it's this one, /sticky notes plus the theme that I want to ask. For example, /sticky notes plus neuron rules, okay? Just like this. Or stack sticky notes plus Japanese cars. Just like this, okay? Be specific, okay? Neuron rules. It's first one, first law, inertia. First two, force and acceleration, and third law, the action and reaction, okay? And it's a quick summary, okay? It's a way to learn a topic into quick notes, okay? The second one is one of my favorites. It's generate hand-drawn image, and for example, the topic that you want, for example, respiratory system. And they're gonna generate for you a very complete image with all you need to learn about it, okay? It's almost like a resume or summarizing that if you have time you would have draw on your book, okay? And the third one, it's my favorite option, okay? The favorite option. Now, of course, you can download this, okay? The guys that you want, you can download and save, print, use on your book, okay? Anything that you want can be done, okay? It's a very complete option. And of course, you can ask more questions and always ask for generate hand draw image, okay? And the third one is my favorite, okay? Visualize learning, okay? This is to create almost like interactive infographics and ways to like mind maps to learn things. For example, photosynthesis, okay? You can change light, it can be high. Can you see the difference? Now CO2 can be high and water can be high. And here is the result. Got it? Interesting, right? Or for example, visualize muscle hypertrophy, okay? You're gonna learn step by step of all the process. You're gonna be able to change the styles that you want, and you're gonna be able to see results. And of course, you can click to explore every single part, the topic that you are using, and even a question to know if you learned something or not, okay? With answers. This is a very, very useful way to learn things because it points you step by step to every process of the topic that you are trying to learn. If you are a student, this is my favorite GPT prompt, okay? The visualize learning plus the topic. And that is. Let me know into the comments what you are learning, what you want to learn, and if this helps you or not. And that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best.